got the hookup. Holla if you hear me. I got the hookup. Holla if you hear me. I got the hookup. Holla if you hear me.
I can't see the right side of my face. Damn.
If I back up.
Oh, we recording. Hey, what's going on, y'all?
Good morning.
Black and blue
morning. You know how we do.
on the morning show.
Check this out. No sun.
No sun out
No
here.
sun. At the beach.
You know you're dedicated to your results when you beat the sun up.
What? We gonna
Yeah,
welcome
yeah.
the sun out here.
Out on the beach, about to get a good cardio workout. About to hit these bars with our boy Dean. We waiting for him.
Oh yeah.
That boy Dean about to
Shout
come.
out to my boy Dean.
Mhm.
About to get it in on them good bars. He's a beast.
Yeah, man. You know it's Super Bowl Sunday, so we got to get it in because we're being proactive. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna have a chicken wing or two today, so I'm gonna make sure that I put the work in now, so I can earn my chicken wing or
There it
two.
is. That's
You know what I mean?
Yeah. That's the point.
3 chicken wings. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna be honest with you. Transparent. See, the thing is, you can be healthy, and every now and then you can treat yourself.
Ain't nothing
But
wrong with a little treat.
nothing wrong with a little treat. But the problem is, most of y'all aren't treating yourself. Guess what they're doing?
What are you doing?
You're cheating yourself. You like that?
What?
Yeah. So treat yourself,
But don't cheat
but don't
yourself.
cheat yourself. So if I'm gonna have a
Say it
chicken
one
wing or
time.
3,
Say it
one more time, they ain't
Say
get it.
They ain't get it. They ain't get that.
Treat yourself.
Treat yourself,
Don't cheat yourself.
but don't cheat yourself.
See, a treat is a chicken wing or a treat. Yeah, I said treat. A cheat is 50 wings. Eating till you can't eat no more. Tired. Lazy.
And then don't work out.
And then don't work out.
You just whammy all over the place.
That's cheating yourself. But we just wanted to do this to say good morning. We out here. We about to get it in.
Y'all always come join us, man.
Yeah. We at the beach right here by the basketball court.
Just want to come out here and have a little fun.
A little time and a little energy, all it costs you.
That's it.
Got to get out your bed, take the initiative to set an
You
alarm.
gonna feel good about yourself.
You gonna feel great about yourself.
Come on now.
What was the word of the day yesterday? Superb. Fit Body Squad, man.
We
out
out
here.
this thing, man.
Yeah.